Right guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, here we are at Raby Castle Classic Car Show. It's going to be a beautiful day today, so let's have a flaunch around and see what we can see. Right, let's see which cars are here today. That's nice. That's pretty killer cool. God, what a stunning day it is today, guys and girls. Look at that big fat Buick. That's pretty cool. That's a Minter as well, look at that. It's like British Racing Green. We've got an estate next to him. Hillman Super Minx. That's nice.
Morning. Hi. Volkswagen Porsche.
Yeah.
He likes the Italian stuff.
I like both, actually.
Yeah.
Jensen Interceptor. Really like this 69 Mustang. It's killer cool. That's killer. It's a nice Mustang convertible.
Well done. Well done. Oh my God, that's fantastic.
Nice in the shade.
It was like £5 grand.
Alfa Romeo.
That's more flatter than that.
Yes.
There you go.
That's that far right, and they ended up. All right. I wonder when for all the wrecks. I thought, well, there's more there than used to. Yeah, I'll tell you that now.
It's packed in there. Go away, wind. Apologies for the sound quality. It's a bit breezy here today. Bobby Hewing Mercedes. Your SLs. Showing my age now, and a Bobby Hewing Dallas.
It's one of my favourite colours. If anything, it's probably my most favourite. After black, smoked over is my favourite. Yeah.
Yeah. It does a bit. It's like UV, isn't it? It's right off.
That's pretty cool. We've got plenty of stalls here. Keeping with the castle.
There you go.
What an absolutely beautiful day here at Raby Castle. If you've never been here before, guys and girls, get yourselves here. It's stunningly beautiful over in God's country, North Yorkshire. Beautiful day. We're coming to the end of the show, or should I say for me, because I've got band rehearsal, typical. So I've got to shoot off in about 5 minutes. So on that note, make sure you check the V12 band out, and if you need a supersonic band to come and play at a festival near you, just get in touch with me. So on that note, seeds are big.